sis, it is beyond time for me to get some new bras to make sure my girls are sitting right. And the Lane Bryant and Cacique semi-annual sale is here. So let's go ahead and refresh our lingerie drawer and save a few coins. I love that Cacique has over 100 bra sizes, so I can actually get a fit that feels custom even while I'm on this weight loss journey. A few of my personal faves are the back smoothing bras, which are literally an answered prayer for me. They lift and smooth, and they give me a seamless look under my sweaters and dresses. The deep plunge bras are perfect for any kind of low or deep cut tops. The Comfort Bliss bras are not only supportive, but super soft and comfortable and great for any of my busy days. Now, y'all already know I'm on a running journey, so I had to get a new sports bra, this Live Active bra. You guys saw I tested it out, and it is good. Now, we can't forget about the underwear. They come in all different cuts, high-rise, cheeky bikini. I'm a thong girly myself, so I'm not going to show you that. But go ahead, sis, run, don't walk, and refresh your lingerie drawer and get the everyday essentials. Grab something spicy if you want, because a semi-annual sale only comes around twice a year. If you're like me and you need a bra that's going to give maximum support to lift the girls up and smooth your back, you my kind of people, and you're going to love this bra roundup. Starting off strong with the lightly lined balconette bra. This is one of my favorite go-tos because it gives me lift and support. I really love that mesh detailing in the center for airflow, and I love the fact that the back bands on these are really thick, and I need that because my back rolls are disrespectful. Speaking of, this is the lightly lined back smoother. As you can see, it smooths my back really nicely. This is a full coverage bra, which gives a minimizing effect if that's something you're into. Now, this totally smooth, full coverage front closed bra, y'all, this was made for me. This was made for me because it smooths my back rolls like no other. I have no other bra that has that thick of a back band. I am in love. This is my first time trying a bra from Torrid. I like this one. It smooths my back rolls, it gives me great support, and she's super comfortable. So let me know if you found this helpful in the comments. Child, one thing you can count on me for is having to get ready at the last minute. Let's get ready to go to dinner. I don't know what it is about me that can't seem to get my life in order to get out of the door on time. It seems like no matter what I do, how early I prep, how well I make sure my outfit is put together, and all of the things, I am always rushing. Now, part of it I will say, I never factor in the fact that I am a mom and I have to get my daughter where she needs to go, make sure she's situated, homework is done, that she has some food and all of the things. And I never seem to factor that in because it's just a regular part of my life and it just kind of is what it is. But yeah, on this journey to 40, one of my resolutions, when I turn 40, I am going to do better with my time management and being on time for events because, girl, I'm tired of rushing. Now, the beauty in this is that you guys know I am a former hairstylist and makeup artist, so I can do my hair and makeup in no time. Well, y'all already know my hair was been done, but I can literally do my makeup in 15 to 20 minutes flat. Yes, all of this makeup gets done in about 15 to 20 minutes because I'm just that good, okay? Just joking, but when you do stuff enough, you're able to do it pretty quickly. Now, y'all, I got this dress from Nordstrom, and I absolutely love it. Yes, we got to put on deodorant to make sure we're not musty, and we're going to need a little bit of glow, so shout out to Vaseline for that. Now, I hadn't worn my MFK fragrance in a while, so I went ahead and pulled that one out because it's a little sexy and a little sweet. Now, let me know in the comments if you think I got this done in 30 minutes, okay? Okay, spoiler alert, I did not get it done in 30 minutes. It was more like 45, but that's all right. We still look good, and we had a great time.